I know you've heard the phrase good for nothing, but when your handgun is good for many things, that's on a whole different level. It means you don't have to own a collection full of different handguns for various purposes, yet you get to possess reliable guns that are relevant for everyday and tactical use. Now, tactical handguns are the perfect handguns that provide that kind of versatility. Some are compact enough for everyday use, and others are precision-oriented for competition and military use. More fascinating is the fact that many tactical handguns today are great all-rounders, and having checked them all out, we bring to you the ones we consider the top 5 amongst the pack. We're always on the lookout to bring you the cream of the crop, so watch out for the handguns we'll display, and feel free to let us know your take on them if you have any experience, and if you don't, we'll provide you with options to consider. Walther's had its head in the game since forever when it comes to producing high-end pistols. Making it to the top of our list is the iconic Walther PDP in full size. For many years, the Walther PDP has remained legendary in performance, delivering undeniable great shots, thereby cementing its name and reputation in the hearts of numerous shooters. The prominent design of the Walther PDP full-sized handgun is complemented by its dependable operations. Weighing only about 24.6 ounces, maneuvering your way into safety with this handgun is seamless, and when it comes to accurate shots on target, there's absolutely no doubt that Walther made the police defense pistol to do it perfectly well. This PDP's optics-ready slide is mounted with a co-witness sight adjustable for windage, highly effective for quick and enhanced target acquisition. What makes a tactical handgun stand out is how well it's able to blend ergonomics, modularity, and durability with enhanced performance, creating a strong force in action every time you pull the trigger. That's what makes this pistol indispensable. The Walther PDP full size is offered at a price that ranges from $650 to $699. Laying hands on a powerhouse at that price is definitely something to talk about. Nothing beats finding a crazy good handgun at an affordable price. It's almost impossible to give a list of high-quality must-have tactical handguns without adding the effing 509 Tactical. That's considered an atrocious thing to do. That's because the effing 509 Tactical is by far one of the most useful and reliable tactical handguns ever made by its manufacturer. Featuring a double-action mechanism, the 509 Tactical is a unique blend of all the qualities that make a great tactical handgun. From its ergonomic design to its performance, this gun remains iconic in its operation, making it an indispensable choice for those who know the worth of a good tactical handgun. It offers versatility and is remarkably durable, able to withstand the toughest of situations and still carry out flawless operation. The effing 509 Tactical is a remarkable 9mm chambered polymer handgun with a short, light, and crisp trigger pull. It's equipped with a suppressor-high Trijicon 3-dot green tritium night sight. Its low-profile optics mounting system delivers just the perfect image to help you focus and aim at a target. Let's not forget to mention that this pistol is super lightweight and its barrel is 4.5 inches long. For this handgun to make the top 2 on our list, you don't need me to tell you that it's a heck of a lot reliable and consistent in its operations. You'll hardly find it causing more trouble than it fixes. Available on the manufacturer's site for $1,104, the effing 509 Tactical is one great addition to any collection it makes. The top 3 spot on our list of must-have tactical handguns is proudly occupied by the Springfield Armory XDM Elite OSP. This is one handgun that doesn't slack on ergonomics. A fantastic balance between ergonomics and performance, the XDM Elite Tactical OSP is a top choice to consider if you must claim to own any useful tactical handguns. Available in 2 different finishes, including black and desert FDE, this is an impressive piece in all areas of consideration. Its performance is outright amusing, dispensing immense firepower from its 22-round magazine. When high performance and design are your priorities in a tactical handgun, one of the options you should give thought to is the Springfield Armory XDM Elite Tactical OSP. The ruggedness of the gun, coupled with its flawless operation, makes it fit for tactical use. Undiluted power is inherent in this polymer-framed powerhouse, and whether you're a retired military personnel or just a safety-conscious citizen, this handgun will serve you loyally. For a price tag around $733, the XDM Elite Tactical OSP offers tremendous performance, displaying breathtaking accuracy, reliability, and durability. Uniquely engineered for range shooting, competition, and tactical use, the SIG P320 X5 Legion is a force to be reckoned with. I'm not talking about just design and intended use, no. I'm also talking about the performance it displays. The raw power and undeniable efficiency displayed by the X5 Legion places it in a category far above average pistols, and being born out of a series with a mark of reliability, this pistol matches the raw power of its predecessors to a notable degree. Featuring Dawson Precision adjustable sights, this optics-ready full-sized powerhouse has a 6.8-inch sight radius, displaying impressive sight images. For many, the modularity of the P320 X5 Legion is the real deal. You're offered the pleasure of tuning its 1911 style spring to suit your preference, allowing shooters to play around with what works for them. The X5 Legion features a striker-fired skeletonized flat trigger for smooth running, making each shot worth the trigger pull. Its 17 rounds of 9mm ammunition release remarkable firepower through its 5-inch carbon steel barrel. It's worth mentioning, however, that the SIG P320 X5 Legion weighs a significant 43.5 ounces. The handgun is offered at a price ranging from $750 to $1,000. You should consider adding this one to your collection. First up on our list of all-rounders is the Shadow System DR920 Elite, a powerful handgun that's way too light for a full-size pistol. With options for a threaded or unthreaded barrel, this handgun is designed ergonomically to fit tactical use. Its striker-fired system offering a ruggedness only found in very few pistols on the market. When it comes to delivering power with precision, the Shadow System DR920 Elite is no doubt at the top of the game. Tipping the scale at 22.4 ounces, lighter than the combat variant, the DR920 Elite features high-quality stainless steel material on the slide and a textured polymer frame. In the heat of the moment, when a high magazine capacity will put you at an advantage over your adversary, the 17 rounds offered provide intense back-to-back shots of highly penetrative 9mm ammunition capable of taking down targets without a single glitch in operation. One good thing about the DR920 Elite is its ambidextrous controls that makes them accessible to both hands. This handgun is highly reliable, rugged, and crowned with a premium price of $989. Not so premium if you consider its worth in action. Before we let you move on to the next video on your watch list, allow me to say a little bit about the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. The Glock 19 is by far one of the most popular Glock pistols, and I say that to risk sounding like a broken record. With the Gen 5 MOS comes a brutally enhanced performance by relying on the Glock 19 platform. For many, what keeps them going back to using a good old Glock is the assurance in knowing that their pistol will fire when they need it to, and when it comes to capacity, they're never left wondering what happens next. The usability and practicality of the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS keep it at the top in the game of firepower and swift action, making it a go-to choice for many. Having introduced you to our top choices for must-have tactical handguns in 2025, we bring this video to a close. You know we never run out of content, so make yourself at home with the plenty of reviews available on our channel. This is your call to like this video if you found it interesting, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. We love a good review, so drop us a comment if you have any experience with the handguns we showed you, and feel free to make other recommendations to your fellow enthusiasts on the space. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, thanks for taking the time to watch this one.